K-State.
KU.
K-State.
KU.
KU.
K-State. KU.
Do I have to pick one? Neither. KU.
KU.
Come on now, KU.
Neither. I hate sports.
Ruff.
Mr. King.
Ruff.
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 King.
King.
Ruff. Ruff.
Ooh. Are they gonna see this? Mr. King probably beat me up, but Mr. Ruff can fire me probably.
People that don't do what they say they're going to do.
People who give other people a chance to get out on the road when they have the right of way. Little road rage this morning.
Oh, it's food smacking sounds.
Slow walkers.
Clicking pens.
Slow walkers or quiet talkers.
Oh, gosh. People who are late.
Students not listening.
My first job was as a costume character at Crown Center. I dressed up as Snoopy for the Christmas time.
I worked at a construction company cleaning up messes.
Worked in retail.
I worked at Payless.
I did a summer camp.
My first job was at a movie theater.
Working in a lab.
Concession stands, worker at the summer pool.
I was a Shoney's girl. I was a waitress.
Ice cream shop.
Arby's.
I need help how to do this problem. Oh good, he's gonna do it. Oh my gosh, these problems are so hard. Like, I don't even know where he gets those numbers from. Will you do that again?
Think that they're being smooth about snapping.
I'm not good being put on the spot. Weirdest things students do. I don't know, they don't make eye contact when they talk.
Bring blankets and take them to class.
Weirdest thing they do is come and stand right next to you with no space.
When they hover over me at my computer and don't understand proximity. I'd say proximity is the weirdest thing.
We have a lot of those. Oh, paths? I don't know, we have a lot. I don't know.
Funniest teacher? Bruce Yarbrough is pretty funny.
Miss Piggle.
Oh, man. Hake.
I don't see a lot of people. Miss Bagel?
Sharp. He's a pretty funny guy.
The funniest?
Tiffany.
Hamilton.
Me.
I can't pick one.
Mortenson's laugh.
Mortenson.
As the person that has a room next to Miss Meserko, Miss Meserko.
Meserko? Oh, Meserko.
Ooh, oh! I'm gonna have to go with Mortenson on that one.
It's a tie. No, it's Mortenson all day.
Circa.
Oh, it's Mr. Mortenson's brain laughter.
Mortenson.
My voice, his laugh. He does this like before he gets really loud, it's like the
In progressive.
And then it gets louder.
Shenanigans. What else does he say? Those rascals. Oh, those rascals.